My name is Nicky Brian and welcome to Nicky-Tech Tutorials. And today I'm very glad I'm here to show you a wonderful hint on Covid-19 tracker. How you can discover Covid-19 tracker in your Android phone. So for me not to waste my time, let's get started. First of all, you need to take your smartphone. Okay. Then follow me. Okay, so let's go to settings. Then you scroll down to Google. You click on it. Then you find it under your account. Covid-19 exposure notification is off. So you click on it. Then you can turn it on if you have installed the app. So you just have to install the app before you can use these features. If you have Covid-19, you may share that information with the app to help people, to alert people you have been in contact with. If you have been exposed to someone who has shared they have Covid-19, the app will notify you and give you further instructions. So what you need to get started of using these features is you need to download an app from your region government public health authority. To find out if an app is available, check your government. Turn on your phone Bluetooth first. Then when you turn on exposure notification within an app for your region government public health authority, your phone shares a random IDs with another nearby phone that also have turned on the notification system. Throughout the day, your phone and the phones around you exchange random's ID. When your phone detects a random ID from another device, it recalls and stores the ID. If someone reports having Covid-19 and their ID is stored on your phone, the app will notify you of your steps to take. So it's very simple. You just have to get the government public health authority app installed on your phone before you can use these wonderful features. If you don't like or if you dislike these features, you can turn it off in case you don't want it. And this is how you can discover the Covid-19 tracker. It is called Covid-19 exposure notification. I want to thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, like my page, share, comment, and click on the notification icon so that you don't miss any video from Nicky-Tech Tutorials. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.